I'm kind of hungry for some tubes this morning. Morning, everybody. 6 a.m. First tropical system of the 2018 season. First tropical swell, not tropical system. And Hurricane Chris is off the coast. Daggone, it looks like, as I'm getting my first look at the waves here, it looks about chest to head. I won't say head high, but there's definitely some waves. It's glassy. Unfortunately, it looks pretty closed out. But man, it's a pretty morning. We got swell in the water here on the East Coast. I just need to find the bars because I haven't really surfed in like 6 weeks around here. But yeah, we got waves. The thing is, the wind hasn't been offshore, it's just been calm, so it has like kind of that morning sickness look. Like it is, definitely isn't. Had it been blowing offshore at like 10 to 15, we'd probably be psyching on what I'm looking at. But I mean, this somewhere between here and I think is definitely the zone. We heard somewhere else is better and more rippable, but I just want to get some little barrels, have some fun. Like tide's high, might as well do that. Once the tide goes low, everywhere will be fun and rippable. So a lot of swell. Hurricane Chris delivering mid-July here in Cape Hatteras, and we got waves. Gotta love this place. Oh, what? 9 hours later, back at the house. Hurricane Chris, pretty weak swell. It was real weird. I woke up at 5, and between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. the buoys had jumped up like 2 foot, and it was just getting like longer periods, stronger swell, bigger. and we were like, man, it's gonna be really good. And got to the beach, there was plenty of waves. We were like, it's gonna be sick all day. Hopped in the water, shot some water footage with Jeffrey, and then it just like dropped out. So we ran up to Rodanthe. We were told that it was good up there, and it was like the most packed lineup I've surfed in since like Pipeline. I don't know, it was so heinous. Guys were being super aggressive. I got stuffed on a wave. Like, the guys were getting burned. It was bad. It was so bad. But anyway, whatever. Caught like 3 or 4 fun ones. Grabbed the cards from Jeffrey, came home. Gonna hang out with the family for the afternoon. And yeah, I'm gonna run inside. My wife and kids aren't here right now. Get an Instagram edit done. Get that ready to post tonight and wrap that up. Yeah, you know, it's all about timing. People want to see the clips. People want to see how the waves were today. So did the surf side of it. Time to go inside and do the computer side of it. Oh, I think my lens is fogging. Got some Hurricane Chris swell in just in time, because now I'm off to California for a wetsuit shoot with O'Neill. Man, I'm leaving my camera home. I can't show you all the stuff product we're shooting, and I can't release the clips that we're gonna get. So this is just gonna be a work trip separate from the vlog. So gonna sign this episode off from here. I appreciate everyone that's been following along, and for those of you who haven't been, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date, and see you next week. Who knows what we'll get into. Till then, we'll be on an airplane.